check out this Harley-Davidson at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2013 model year, Ultra Classic Limited. Actually 110th anniversary bike. This one's number 1069 of 3,750 made in this particular model. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually a two-owner bike with just 6,721 miles on it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can get a peek at every angle and some up-close shots of it, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. You can always call to 507-386-1726. Antique vintage bronze with what they call the antique vintage black two-tone paint combination. Of course, here is your serialization number from Harley on it. It also has an aftermarket stereo where you have a Bluetooth, so we'll upgrade on the stereo. Let's check out, I'll show you those exact miles while we're here. Right here, 6,721. We'll start it up at the end of this video here so you can hear it run too. Just do a quick little walk around so you can see it up close. And remember, we do have financing options. We do consider trades, and we can always assist with the transportation. Nice looking two-tone seat. Of course, the hard bags. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can check out the still pictures. Finish up walking around. Other side here. Let's get a little closer look down at the engine and some of the badging on it. A little close up front here too of some of the chrome. There's the driving lights. Get a little better look at this engine here. Of course, 110 cubic inch engine, 2013. Then the 6-speed. I believe the Limited would have came with ABS also. So a little update on that. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oh, it also had the heated grips on it, hand warmers. Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic Limited, 110th anniversary bike. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Two-owner bike, clean Carfax, just a little over 6,700 miles. Remember, we do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.